Working out and eating right is important, but sometimes we need a little extra help too. So joining us now is Dr. Parkins from Bellissa Plastic Surgery Medispa, and tomorrow they're holding a special event to help you get your body ready for the beach. Sorry, I have an eyelash in my eye.
I know that feeling.
I might have to step out.
Her eye is like watering. That's okay. I'll take over.
Okay, good, good.
Let's talk about why now is a great time to consider a procedure.
Now is a great time, and it's actually a time of the year that we see a lot of people because they're starting to think about summer, putting that swimsuit on again for the first time.
Yeah, I bet.
So now is great because there's still time to have a procedure done and heal fully and then still be ready to go for summer. So we see a lot of people this time of year.
That's awesome. Right before the break, we saw the most extraordinary before and after. People are going to want to know, what did that woman have done? Because the transformation, it doesn't look like the same tummy, I would say for sure, right?
Right. So that's a patient of mine, and what she had is a tummy tuck, and she really made a lot of life changes, and that was one of the things that she did. And you know, afterwards, she got really involved in exercise and sports and a lot of things she'd never done before, and she quit smoking, and so it was really, you know, it was really great, and we had a great journey together. But yeah, she's got a great result and was so happy for it.
Now, is that for someone who had that type of before picture? Can they expect to look that good? Because one of the things that we were talking about during the commercial break is that a tummy tuck often involves tightening the muscle too, because that sagging skin is something that's hard to just exercise away.
Right. So oftentimes after we have children, or if you've had a lot of weight loss, the fascia in between the muscles gets stretched. So that's something with a tummy tuck, we tighten that back up. Plus we take out the extra sagging skin. So it's kind of addressing the abdomen in different ways.
That's awesome. What are some of the most common procedures that you do, especially now as we look toward shorts and swimsuit season?
This time of year we see a lot of breast and tummy procedures. So breast augmentation is always popular, breast lift, and then tummy tucks, liposuction for the abdomen area, or liposuction of the legs too. Just kind of the things that come to mind when you're like, oh, I'm going to get in the swimsuit or a little dress or shorts, and those problem areas that are easier to hide during the winter time.
For sure. So liposuction is something you can do to the abdomen, the tummy area, midsection, as well as to the legs and thighs.
Yep. Liposuction can be used on lots of different parts of the body, but
as
yeah,
well
those
as
are
the
some
flanks
of
or
flanks,
the love handles,
the neck, all sorts of places.
Oh, the neck even. What about the arms?
Yep, arms too.
Okay, that's incredible. What about other procedures that you offer at your office?
So I really offer head-to-toe plastic surgery. I do cosmetic as well as reconstructive things. Cosmetic-wise, eyelids, brow lifts, face lifts, nose surgery. We talked about breast augmentation and lifts, breast reduction, breast reconstruction, and then all the tummy tucks and liposuction that we talked about. So kind of everything, and you know, skin cancer reconstructions and things of that sort as well.
How do you do a consultation with someone? If someone comes in and they have a desired result, but they're not maybe exactly sure what type of procedure that they should have done, what do you do then?
That's perfect. You don't need to figure it out, you know, what are the things that might help me. That's my job. So you come in and you say, this is what bothers me, and then I tell you, you know, what are the options, what are the results that you might expect, and then we kind of pick out what's right for you. And it's very low pressure. All of our consultations are completely free, so you just come in and we talk. It's really just educational. You know, I examine you and tell you what you can expect from different things, and something, you know, might not be right for this person, but it's right for that person. So, you know, just because your friend had something doesn't mean that's what's right for you. But, you know, come on in. It's low pressure. We just, you know, sit down and talk about things.
That's great. You have an event going on tomorrow so that people can see more about what you do, visit your office, ask questions. You also have some great raffle prizes. What will be going on as part of that event?
So yeah, we're really excited about the event. It's going to be fun. So come on out. I'm gonna do a question and answer session, and so show some more photos like we showed today, so you can kind of get an idea of the things that we do, and then any questions you've always wanted to ask plastic surgeon, I'll be there answering lots of questions. We'll have some free appetizers and some great fun summery drinks, and then yeah, there'll be one of the breast implant companies will have implants there for you to touch and feel and get all questions answered about that. We'll have some raffles for some BOTOX, Jevederm. Voluma is the new filler that lasts 2 years. That's great for augmenting the cheekbone area. We're also going to have someone there doing professional skincare and makeup with some free samples and demonstrating how to use the products and doing some makeovers. Someone demonstrating how to properly fit a bra, so almost no one wears the right size
I've
bra.
heard that. Yeah.
Also some fun clothes to try on and buy if you're interested. So we've got a lot of fun things going on. It should just be a really great time, and it's open house format, so you just stop in whenever you want. But we just ask that people register in advance so we have enough.
That's great. And that's going on tomorrow from 5:30 to 8. I bet a lot of people feel comfortable seeing you because you're a woman when it comes to plastic surgery.
Yeah, I think for especially females, they feel more comfortable with a female. I know where they're coming from if they say, you know, oh, this is, I used to like how I looked and then I had children and things aren't quite the same way they used to be.
Right.
I understand that, and you know, I think it's really nice sometimes females are more trusting of me because they know that I kind of understand where they're coming from, so that's always nice.
Exactly. If people can't make the event tomorrow, they can still call your office and ask questions?
Yep, call our office or come on in. Like I said, all of our consultations are free, but my nurse Cindy is very helpful on the phone too, so any questions you have, she'll be able to help you, or she can put you in contact with me, or come on in and we'll talk. That's
awesome. I love it. So starting with the event tomorrow, so that people have the information for Bellissa again, so that you can get your body ready for the beach. That's tomorrow from 5:30 until 8 p.m. It's at the Sheraton Milwaukee in Brookfield, which is on South Moorland Road. It's free, but advanced registration is required. You can get your questions answered. They'll have great raffle prizes. They'll have demos there, and you can see for yourself all of the things that can be done to get you beach ready. You can find out more about Bellissa Plastic Surgery and Medispa. They're in Oconomowoc as well as Watertown. The phone number is 920-262-4577, and you can go to findyourrealbeauty.com for more information. Again, the phone number one more time, 920-262-4577.